Hello everyone. I want to share what I have learned from using Figma variables. So I have searched online trying to find information. I can only find information about changing one variable string at a time. And what I wanted is to have these screenshots to be put on the App Store. And what I want is for the string to be all changed at once from English to Japanese to Chinese. I have 10 different languages. So what I did is I go to the variable, I loaded the streams in 10 different languages. So the column is called a mode. So you see there are 10 different modes which corresponds to 10 different languages. And I have the title for screen 1, title for screen 2, and there are 10 screens, so there are 10 different titles. So what I wanted to show everyone here is how to, instead of doing one by one for the string, what I wanted is to select everything. So you have to make sure you select all the frame. You see the frame icon here. That is selected and not the nested UI. So select the frames and go to appearance. Look for this icon where the cursor is. It says apply variable mode. Click it. You choose the collection. I have it named as titles. It gives you different mode option. So now on the screen we have it as English. Let me change to Arabic, and I can change it to French. So this is how you do the mode change across different frames in one go. It will save a lot of your time rather than having to do 100 times. That's 10 times 10. 10 different languages and 10 different titles. And you load this information. You can use JSON, which you can generate and load it into the variable.